busunya chairman wontumi nyankopon akasa. Yes, chairman wontumi nyankopon akasa. Obebusa say date na make kasa asem ebusunya menko ba bia unya subscribe ya subscribe uwie so like na share na kire wadwo comment section nemu what is say na wo kasa ko pie mu ewo Atiwa Easter NDC youth organizer friend Daniel Ansah aba bonti abeka say NDC MCE or no John Dramani Mahama appointed no ono Daniel Ansah ye NDC youth organizer ene manu Galamsey eye concessioner oye Galamsey ewo so a o confirm say NDC eye MCE or Atiwa East is involved in illegal manufacturing Galamsey. I actually say NDC for John Dramani Mahama edianim and it's an Galamsey or Ghana Hanum say ya. Wait, say John Dramani Mahama Abino can never fight Galamsey. Wait, say Chemaun to me, innocent. Chemaun to me was not the one or Galamsey name no. NDC for Daniel Ansah or NDC to organize the Atiwa East and the A lead yom Atiwa East or Nongasa Ama NDC MCE or Atiwa East. One man concessioner omu 2 Ghana asase essay Ghana asase say Ghana insuo would for the real Galamseyers, the real corporate, you know, they are now in government and now they are telling the Ghanaian people say the people that you were blaming no and no me Galamsey name no NDC for Adamu feel say angels no yen and Galamsey na yes say insuo no ankasa. Yes, me say asema esene busunya enya asem ketwa. We ama Ghana for ehunu say Senator Chemaun to me was not the one and not also Ghana insuo because me no work as NDC ba yi 1 year near Chemaun to me omo gin insa say gin license e revoke the license e dey almost out to ne bank account e gu na djuma but Galamsey no go so kwasa na de NDC for nankasa e kon say omo na Galamsey no omo ye na emom no John Dramani Mahama na kire so omo kwan e mom ye sa de ne because enya sa na tie de a keba ne say na NDC ono nkasa youth organizer ka kire ye say ono NDC youth organizer no e wo concession na modi bia ma MCE o yesu adwuma obe ka say Sam George any NDC for e kan say emna ne kufa do wo so na man bi epe MP di wo central jumbo bia no ye MCE na ye so ye involving Galamsey enti for da ko di na kwa ye campaign e kufa do e na e sha ase oye eti yeso be di na so ka say John Dramani Mahama MCE na o appoint no yes o ye Galamsey sorry guys yes o ye Galamsey na Galamsey na o ye no e ye wankasa Mahama wo NDC youth organizer wo constituency wo e na man concession
me a temporary committee chairman wankasa me say youth organizer wo ankasa je NDC me NDC ni bapa po me nya bipini o me say me NDC ni as a bate ye ka sab sabe omo ya say omo kuma NDC wo Atiwa Easter the county
okay
honorable this year or to see. Me no ka say some of the chairman me and I'm a sponsor of 5 million. I'm a sponsor. That I'm no lika pray. And you mean you to start by fine anything. Yeah, see and time that to see na ko ba anado anasa on ma 2 to 3. That's the idea here. All starting Galamsey. And you mean I'm a man as I say all starting Galamsey e was so. All starting Galamsey Juma before all the DC, that's another Galamsey.
Daniel.
Yes, sir.
Who na o former chairman now DC assassin so fanya Galamsey.
Because me
na unim sa smart ke betimi achew.
Yes, me. That is obi about me na me man sa ayeduma oye. Me na me de man. Me sister be try to blame enkume. Me try kunya enkume.
Dan.
Yes, sir.
One man obi asase so fan say o man Ghana asase. And what me nya kodro asade obi akọ court.
Yeah. What I want to do. The bay no DC, the point out of DC, may start say one. And kwa santo kwani na e ba ya menene ko court ne say. Some on your DC now. Oya ye chairman na me man asase oya Galamsey ni wo so no e teacher ni no fi school ba and I say Saturday and Sunday no better Galamsey site ojili gold I confirm chairman ya me adom obe ye first point out DC ye DC say no oya na say me sas na egu na asabe that time no man 113 wo mu a ye DC ni that's all man capture power masas ni me it's not the patapa and only 2 minutes as ne say no otu so go this is otu so on kataso ta o ko akra kumase ubedu ankase a obahead na ya nso for ankase no o tra kakra o sabe nkumo so mo hwe down ho osodama apart from the anya be sister lol kwan onu no watu sa na le da ho ni na LDC o tisu
that facha me for when the facha me TM dan TM sir allegations no with all due respect we want to take ourselves out and I think say who any evidence have it me there no akọ court e wo why it's yam court the substance of the matter
court no say no many na me na court
what na court so ya Galamsey
me na court so ya Galamsey o tu me sa afi
but one can report to so ya Galamsey
because me ya Galamsey me
na dan obi otimu obi asa so fa ya Galamsey there dan obi Daniel na obi a utimi ma obi asa so fa ya Galamsey utimi ka sa wo nya Galamsey
okay me da say ya can't say something to me Galamsey and the sanka the whole Ghana he for all bia ya Galamsey because so we be mania o kwa hifie ana meboa
se ahunfo bebre beka jo so onya we so kwa Galamsey ba wo de waka so odum to no waka se una ama na sa so onfa nko ye Galamsey
lokura me chance me to
editan utitum se o sanka won so no enkia chew
yeah yes me say yes me anu kwa me kan
okay
yes anu so kan hu because no na oye
okay
the real kingpins no are in government. The real kingpins are in government. Now, the NDC are on national television boldly accepting, say yes, they are doing Galamsey, illegal mining. Now, John Dramani Mahama see or fighting. On Okasani party for the executives, near appointees are on national television boldly accepting, say yes, they are doing Galamsey. And nothing has been done about it. You see, you remember that in 2020, I think 2020 thereabout, there was this man who was MCE, I think in the central region, if I'm right? And it was alleged that he was involved in illegal mining. But I think during the campaign time, Ekufado went to that country because it was a campaign. And a campaign was our constituency. The NDC, I can say, Ekufado acquired a campaign there. It means Ekufado and the main person only did Galamsey because you'll be accusing Galamsey campaign, which means on the campaign as your dear name. Now today, John Dramani Mahama, who are appointee, Atiwa East MCE, on one case youth organizer, Daniel Ansah say, on the man of concession or Galamsey. It's a John Dramani Mahama appointee. Yeah, on one case youth organizer say, on man concession Galamsey. Yeah, what do you also have to say about it? Should you also say then it means John Dramani Mahama is also doing Galamsey? It's a very simple question we are all asking. Because I'm just referring to what you people said during the Kufado's tenure. And I'm making comparison and asking this very simple question. Say, based on that, should we also say John Dramani Mahama is the one doing Galamsey now? Because much the leader of the government business should take all the blame for the government. And John Dramani Mahama is the leader of government, He's the president. So whatever blame, I think say he's the one I was say blaming. The same thing you people blamed Ekufado for everything. Whilst not only Galamsey side, only concession, you blame that he was the one doing Galamsey. Sam George and Co, they were all around accusing and saying all those stuffs. Today, your own government appointees are involved in illegal mining. Where the one customer party for youth organizer what it is the NDC youth organizer. In that wa confirm say ni MCE Mahama appointee no. On the man concession or Galamsey no. So what do you want? Then our person yansu yanka. I see the in the city. But me the main country. John Dramani Mahama. I know you are not doing Galamsey. I know that you are not doing it. But the people you have appointed are doing it. And therefore they will use you to spoil your name. So make sure of my man be Juma. So I know that you, John Dramani Mahama, are not doing Galamsey. I know that John Dramani Mahama is not doing it. But what happened years back, and they can't do the same thing now. They will blame you. And that's the reason I'm blaming you. So I'm blaming you not because you are doing it, but because you people did the same thing to the ex-Royal MPP government. And I'm just telling you what you did. And I'm making a case. What did I say? Eyezu, Eyeza, Eyaza, John Dramani Mahama, Abang.